How's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can optimize Geometry Dash Mobile. So it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, Geometry Dash PC and the mobile version have basically similar UIs. So you just want to follow along in order to do this properly. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure to update our graphics setting. It's going to be inside the gear icon right here on the main menu screen. Click graphics, and then you want to experiment with the texture quality right here. So in my case, since I'm using Windows, it's going to look something like this. But if you're using mobile, you want to do something like modifying the texture. Now, if it is currently set to high, you want to go ahead and use something like automatic, so it will automatically detect the best settings for your device. Or if you want to be safe, just navigate through low or medium. From there, let's head over to advanced, and then you can just make sure to select the vertical sync, so it will actually lock the FPS onto our current refresh rate for your mobile devices, so it doesn't actually perform way out of the refresh rate on our devices. Click on smooth FPS, click on apply, and basically from there you are good to go. And before we end the video, you also want to make sure to close out other background applications from your mobile devices, making sure that only Geometry Dash is opened on your mobile phones. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this.